Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta, Director GMD Academy in front of you. Well guys, as you all know that IMU CET exam is being conducted on 11th June 2022. That too in an offline mode, जिसके अंदर you will be going and giving a test on a computer on a particular software out there, right? So what GMD Academy has done is we have done our own research for the last 5 years. We have our own question bank and we are launching this mock test series of 5 tests that you can attempt in this coming 1 month, in which you will get questions which are very similar to that have been asked in IMU CT test. So the pattern you will know. Second thing is the software that we have built is very similar to the software that is being used in IMU CT test. So that awareness will be there. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप टेस्ट देने के समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से दे कहाँ से करें कैसे नहीं करें. You will learn time management even before you go for that IMU CT test, which is very important. Ki are you being able to attempt all those 200 questions in those 3 hours or not? You will learn competition because you will be competing with all the GMD Academy students as well. You will be getting a rank. You will get an analyzed report in the end, whether you have done a good job or not, what are the weak points, what are the strong points. All I can say is, I believe in this test series. We have really worked hard on this. And I believe अगर आप इस mock test series को join करते हो, कम से कम 15-20 marks you can definitely gain. So what are you waiting for? Sapna ma'am will join us now and she will show you how to get access to this mock test series, how to buy this mock test series, and what all are there in this mock test series, what all good points are there in this mock test series. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.
Hello students, as Praneet sir told you about the test series, so I am here to help you how to buy the test series and how can you go with the test series. At first you have to visit our website which is jmdaacademy.com. Here you can see IMU CET test series. You just have to click on IMU CET test series, then you will get this page here. Here you can see this option register now. As you will click this option register now, so you will get this page. What you have to do, you have to get yourself registered here with by new registration. जैसे आपने न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन किया, this page will open. You can put all of your details here like password, email ID, mobile number, and you just have to select the group. As the group is IMU CET here, then by signing up you can register yourself here. As you have completed your registration, so you can see this page. यहाँ पे आपको 5 टेस्ट मिल जाएंगे और आपको अटेम्प्ट कैसे करने की, माई टेस्ट पे आपको सारे ही एक्टिव टेस्ट दिखेंगे. यू कैन सी योर एक्टिव टेस्ट है, completed test you can get from here. Like I have completed the first test, so you can see the first test here. So active test में जाते हैं, you have to click on the start test. Start test खुलने के बाद you will get this page and after that you will get all the information about the duration of the exams. Here you can see this page where you can find the duration of the exam is 3 hours. There are 5 sections. All the details are and instructions are here. And by clicking I have read all the details and understood it properly. You can go in the next page. Whenever you will click the next page, so you will get this page and after that your test is here. There are total 5 sections in the test: aptitude, chemistry, English, mathematics and physics, and there are total 200 questions. You can attempt any of the section at first, whatever you want. Like if you want to attempt the aptitude section first, you can just click on the right answer, save and next. You can see your right answer or you can see your answered question here in green color, and if you have left any question like this one, so you can see it in red color. The question which you have marked for review, you will show, you can see that question in blue color, and the question which you want to review and answer again, it can be shown in blue color with green dot here. Like if you want to attempt the chemistry section, so what you can do, you can just answer the right answer and save in next. You can see the section and you can see your answer in green color. Like if you are in chemistry section now, so what you can do, if you want to save and next आपने किया, if you want to attempt this question and you want to put it for review, so what you can do, just click the right answer, mark for review and next. Now you can see this question in blue color here because you have marked this question for review. You can find all of your details here and the timer is also there. सो आपको पता चलते रहेगा कि किस तरीके से आपका टाइमर चल रहा है और आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. लाइक यू वांट टू अटेम्प्ट द मैथ सेक्शन, सो डेफिनेटली आपने जैसे इंग्लिश सेक्शन देखा था, अब मैंने मैथ सेक्शन खोला. यू कैन फाइंड वन थिंग हियर कि जो आपका क्वेश्चन है वो 2-3 सेकेंड्स में ओपन हो रहा है. सो स्पेशली फॉर मैथ एंड फिजिक्स सेक्शन वेयर देर आर लॉट ऑफ सिम्बल्स, यू हैव टू वेट फॉर 2 seconds बिकॉज वहाँ पे को आपका जो सिंबल है यू कैन सी इट प्रॉपरली. एंड इफ यू वांट टू क्लिक द राइट आंसर, then you want to clear the response, it is very easy for you. You want to click the right answer, save and mark for review. Now you can see this question in blue color with green tick because you have marked the question but you want to review that question. So all the sections are here. Like physics section, you can attempt the question like that and you can clear the response or mark for review the question. You can see everything here. Have completed the test, you can just click on the submit button. It is again giving you an option, do you want to change or do you want to mark again. If you're not, then click on the this section, just click on yes. Now you can see your result here, your scorecard, the solution report, you will get everything here. So you can find out your marks here, 1.75 out of 200, how many questions you have attempted and time taken by you. You can also get the scorecard, the subject report, the solution report, like you want to know what were the right answers, आपने कौन सा आंसर गलत टिक किया है, तो आपको सारी डिटेल्स यहाँ पे को मिल जाएंगी. You can get everything here. So these are the 5 section. You are having 180 minutes for that and you can attempt any of the question. इसमें जो कुछ glitches हैं, as I told you earlier, जो symbols वाले हैं, it will take 2 or 3 seconds to open. One thing I just want to suggest you, try to give your test on a big screen like laptop, because अगर आप मोबाइल फ़ोन में अपना टेस्ट देते हैं, सो देयर इज़ अ थिंग, लाइक अगर आप फ़ोन में टेस्ट दे रहे हैं सपोज और आपकी कॉल आ गई, आपको कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, तो इफ़ यू वांट टू क्लोज द टेस्ट 3 टाइम्स आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि आपने टेस्ट को क्लोज किया, फिर आप उसी पोजीशन से, उसी टाइमिंग से, उसी क्वेश्चन से री अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं. बट आफ्टर 3 अटेम्प्ट्स वो चीज़ पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि 4th टाइम क्या हो जाएगा, आपका टेस्ट क्लोज हो जाएगा. तो आपको कोशिश करनी है कि आप बिग स्क्रीन में अपना टेस्ट दें. अगर आप मोबाइल फ़ोन में भी दे रहे हैं तो यू कैन गिव, पर आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि वाईफाई से आपका फ़ोन कनेक्ट हो ताकि कॉल्स वगैरह आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना करें फॉर दीज 3 hours. और आपको क्या करना है, इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग, what you have to do, just take a screenshot or send it on WhatsApp on the helpline number. We are always there to help you. This is our honest effort for you. If you want to crack the IMU CET exam and get a good rank, this will definitely help you. What you have to do, try to give the test on each week so that till IMU CET you will get the clear idea, the time management, everything. This is really going to help you. All the very best for your test series. Thank you.